How do you spell your name? Do it slower. That looks really good. That looks really good. Look at your big E.
No,
wow.
Monster E.
Whoa. Monster E?
Yes, monster.
Are you going to do your numbers now? Hi.
I'm doing my dots. I did my dots first.
What are you doing over here? What are you doing over here? You playing with the fruit roll-up wrapper? Is that your favorite thing? It makes a good noise. It makes a good noise. Ah! 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 Are you talking to me? Yeah? Ah! Ah! You are talking to me.